All right, so I'm excited today because I'm going to be unboxing the Huawei Watch GT, which is going to be the next watch for me after my Xiaomi Amazfit watch. And I'm going to explain why I finally switched to the Huawei after this watch. Now, first of all, I want to talk about the specs, a quick overview of the specs of this watch. This watch has a double crown AMOLED screen. And there are two versions of this watch, the Active Edition and the Elegant Edition. The Active Edition is 46 millimeters, that's the case size, whereas the Elegant Edition is 42 millimeters. And the watch has a long battery life, and this is the main reason why I switched from the Xiaomi Amazfit watch. Now, the Amazfit lasts about a month, and that is very convenient for me. That's the number one thing I look for in a watch, especially if it's a smartwatch. This watch was amazing. It lasts for a month. It's very cheap. It was $100. Now it's way cheaper on Amazon. And it had a heart rate monitor along with GPS and all the other conveniences. Now this watch, according to Huawei, lasts about 2 weeks for the Active Edition and lasts about 1 week for the Elegant Edition, and that's with the heart rate monitoring on and exercise for 90 minutes per week. So let's go ahead and unbox this watch. As you can see, I've already opened it, and I'm going to take out the watch right here. It looks so pretty, and I'm definitely going to get more straps. That looks pretty cool. So there's the watch. You've got the crowns, and let me see if it's on. Okay, there you go. Turned on. These are the sensors for the heart rate monitor. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, we've got some wires here. That's for charging it. Okay, the wireless charger. Okay, that's pretty cool. The warranty card, and finally we've got, what is this? Okay, a quick start guide, worth checking out, and that's about it. So the watch also has GPS, of course. It's got 3 satellites on 1 precise location, and it has the so-called scientific coaching, which means that it provides coaching in introductory to advanced running courses to assist you in real time, while also providing guidance training and giving time movement effect feedback. All of that is according to Huawei. And of course, it's always ready, which means that it's ready for outdoors, for indoors, for training activities, and it's waterproof. It's got intelligent sleep statistics according to Huawei, which means that it measures your sleep, including deep sleep, light sleep, REM sleep, and all of that kind of stuff. And you can customize the watch face. Now I need to start pairing this. Okay, so I have to download that on my phone. And yeah, this is the reason I got this watch. Long-lasting battery life, AMOLED screen, beautiful. And it's time to say goodbye to my Amazfit watch. I love this guy. Now, one thing I'm going to miss from this watch is the always-on display. You can see it right here. So when I turn it on, you can see the backlight. But this watch has an always-on display, just like the Samsung phones and the Huawei phones. And I like that. Now, I'm not going to have that here, but still, I'm willing to trade that for the OLED screen and the 2-week battery life, and that's going to be just fine for me. So thanks for watching this video, guys. See you next time.